Prosecuting cases involving young victims. Local law enforcement says it's not all that easy in many cases. This following the story of a Brighton couple whose baby died after swallowing a methadone pill at a neighbor's house. The Monroe County DA's office decided not to prosecute, a decision that upset Maisie Gillen's parents. Kayla Green asked the Child Abuse Bureau chief at the DA's office about the legal challenges attached to these cases.
Sarah Van Strydunk found out about Maisie's death almost as soon as it happened. She's the Child Abuse Bureau chief at the Monroe County District Attorney's Office. She says after investigating the case from all sides, the DA's office wasn't able to charge anyone.
Sometimes things are just tragic accidents. And I know society always seems to want somebody to be held accountable all the time, and sometimes things are just really terrible accidents.
She says they looked into criminally negligent homicide, but it just didn't fit.
A lot of people accidentally drop pills, I think, unfortunately. I certainly don't think there was any malicious intent, so we're going towards the negligent standard.
Van Strydunk says scenarios sometimes evolve faster than the law.
It's hard for the law to, write individual statutes for, you can't do this to a child, you can't do that to a child, these are crimes. So we do have that catch-all in our law that's called endangering the welfare of a child.
But she says that law is extremely broad and only a Class A misdemeanor.
Why don't we have a catch-all that adding some additional factors on, but makes it a felony, that gives it some more teeth, that gives it some more protection for our kids? So meaning it can use the same language, but maybe there's another element, some other factor that would elevate it to a felony, so that we're not trying to say this is a terrible thing that happened to a kid, and you know what? It should be illegal. It's not a legal thing, and the community doesn't think it's legal, and the community thinks that we should be charging people for this, but we can't.
She says some examples of other factors to raise the charge to a felony could be a child getting seriously injured, causing a grave risk of death, or someone already being convicted with endangering the welfare of a child. In the newsroom, Kayla Green, News 8.
Kayla, thank you. Van Strydunk says that a felony version of endangering the welfare of a child has been voted on the Senate floor, but it has yet to make it to the Assembly.